Hello, Miss Quevedo. This is Nikki from the HR department, and I'm going to quickly run over your OneNote travel. You will be traveling from April 12th to the 26th. First of all, I have your flight itinerary. On Monday, you will be flying from Spokane International Airport to Mexico City International Airport. With a layover in Dallas-Fort Worth. And on Monday, the 19th of April, you will be leaving Mexico City to Guadalajara. That flight will take you an hour and 15 minutes. And on Monday, the 26th, you will be departing Guadalajara and coming back home to Spokane. Again, you have a layover in Dallas-Fort Worth. We have your itinerary for Mexico City. On Monday, you will be arriving. I've given you 2:15 for 8:15 after you've gone through customs. Someone from the Hotel La Reforma will be waiting for you with a placard at your gate after you've gone through customs, and they will take you to the hotel. You should arrive at the hotel at 9 p.m. On Tuesday, you have your presentation, and then you have lunch with Senor Gonzalez, for marketing manager for La Toyas Mexico. And on Wednesday, you will have breakfast with Senorita Sanchez from the Chamber of Commerce. And then you have appointment with Senor Gérez at La Banque de Mexico, and at 7:30 you will have dinner with Senor Navarro. Again, on Thursday the 15th, you have a presentation. On Friday the 16th, you will have breakfast with Senorita Perez, and then you will tour La Torres Mexico factory with Senor Navarro. And then on Monday the 19th, you will depart from Mexico City to Guadalajara. On Guadalajara, your itinerary, you will arrive there at 11:15, Monday the 19th. You are going to have to wait a while before you can check into the AC Hotel in Guadalajara. On Tuesday, you will give a presentation at 9:30 in the morning. At 2:30, you have lunch with Senorita Diaz. And Wednesday at 8, you have breakfast with Senor Dominguez. Sorry, my Spanish is terrible. And you will tour the factory with him after breakfast. At 10:30, on Thursday the 22nd, you have a meeting with Senor Ramos regarding real estate. And again, you will have breakfast with Senor Dominguez and tour his tequila ranch or farm on the 23rd. And then on the 26th, you will depart at 6:16 a.m. for Dallas-Fort Worth and then on to Spokane. You have requirements. You need your passport, obviously. If you do not have one, please let me know. As I say here, it takes 12 weeks or 4 to 6 weeks for expedited processing. You do not need a visa for Mexico. However, you do need a American tourist card. I've added a link here where you can apply. It will cost you $49. I did not fill this in because I don't know if they need personal information, but please bring in the receipt and we will reimburse you for that. I suggest your vaccinations here. I suggest that you confirm these with your doctor to see if they are necessary or if you've had them. You've got your routine vaccinations: hepatitis A and B, malaria, measles, rabies, typhoid. Sorry, excuse me. And there's some preventable diseases right here. Take special note of Zika, especially if you're pregnant, tuberculosis. As I said, go to your doctor, I would suggest. And then we have the COVID-19. You do need a negative COVID test before departing and returning back into the United States. The hotels that I placed your bookings can get you in contact with a doctor. I've also added a link here for more information. And I would suggest that you go to the doctor and have the COVID test on Thursday or Friday. And if you have the COVID-19 vaccination, I would take that with you just as a precaution. And again, this is your flight information. Spokane. Leave at 8:15. Arrive at 7:45 with a 2 hour and 55-minute layover in Dallas-Fort Worth. This flight will take 9 hours and 20 minutes. And Mexico City, the flight will take you an hour and 15 minutes. Mexico City to Guadalajara. From Guadalajara to Spokane will take you approximately 8 hours and 46 minutes. Right here. And again, leaving at 6:16 a.m. and arriving back at Spokane at 1:02 p.m. with a 2 hour and 10 minute stopover. There are baggage fees for American Airlines, $30 for your first check bag, $40 for your second. Vieras, the flight from Mexico City to Guadalajara, $40 for carry-on and $60 for first and second. And then I've put in some information here for Spokane and Dallas-Fort Worth on their COVID. In Dallas-Fort Worth, Terminal A is completely American Airlines and provided you with food, shopping, and things to do. I have given you a map of Spokane Airport. It is a map of Dallas-Fort Worth, Terminal A. And you're going to be total flight time is 13 hours and 25 minutes with layovers in Dallas-Fort Worth of 5 hours and 5 minutes. And remember, there is a 1 hour difference between Spokane, Dallas, and Mexico. We're in the same time zone, which is Central Standard Time, and we are in Pacific. Ground information. Pamela from the HR department has offered to pick you up at 5:45 if she's going on vacation. So she will pick you up at 5:45. Mexico City, I have arranged for the hotel to pick you up. You have an option here of a rental car. Please let me know so I can book that. And you will need an international driver's permit, and you can get that from AAA. And here is the information on that. In Guadalajara, you have to find a taxi to take you to the hotel. You also do have the rental car option. Again, you will need the international driver's permit. When Jason Blake from the marketing department will pick you up at Spokane International Airport and drive you home. You have an allowance. A company policy gives you a per diem of $15 a day for transportation. So your total allowance is $200.10. $10. Hotels in Mexico City. We have a Hotel Reforma. You have a king room. And I know you have a Marriott. I don't know whether it's the Monvoy, but it's $709 if you have that. And this is an overview of your room. And because this is an executive suite, you have these special benefits right here. And then they have a full service business. I have given you information on their COVID-19 procedures in Guadalajara. You will have a corner and it would be $316. And I've given you an overview right here of your room. And they only have a business service and their COVID-19. For entertainment in Mexico City, I've added a link here for the top 10 things you can do in Mexico City. I do not know how to pronounce that, but it looked bright and wonderful. And the Frida Kahlo Museum. And then I was also giving you 38 essential right here. It looks great, this food. I've given you Guadalajara sites too and a link. Dining, I've given you a link to some of the food. And you have an accompanying allowance is $35 a day, so your total allowance will be $490. Cultural etiquettes, I've given you some business etiquettes right here. One of the things, the office hours are usually 9 to 7. That's why your appointments start at 9:30. Your business meetings, what to wear especially, very conservative. And business cards are still accepted in Mexico City, and I've given you some link. Business gift giving. It's not tradition. You can, if you do, give something with a company logo. And home invitations. I've given you, especially this bit here. Yellow flowers, red flowers, purple flowers. Don't give them any tourist items. Okay? And now for general information. I do not know your phone carrier, so I've given you some basic stuff right there. Health, what to eat, drink, don't drink. Electricity, you should have no problem because their sockets are the same. Currency is the Mexican peso, and this is the exchange rate. Check it daily. So right now, 1 peso is 0.49, or $1 gets you 20 pesos. The weather is fantastic. You have Mexico City, average 81, 87 in Guadalajara. I've given you international phone numbers calling Mexico from the United States. Mexico City code is 55, Guadalajara is 33, and then calling the states from Mexico. Obviously, the language is Spanish, and I have given you some basic Spanish greetings right here. Also, we have the full American Embassy in Mexico City. This is Hotel La Reforma, and that's where the embassy is. And then in Guadalajara, you have a consulate. This is your hotel, and that's where the consulate is. So that was just a rough. Please take your time to read all over it, and hope you have a great time. Wish I was coming with you. Bye-bye.